Hey guys, Sam here. Today we're not doing body work or metal work on the 64 Impala. So I've got this power steering pump that I bought from, shoot, I can't remember. I think it's Tough Stuff or something like that. They sell power steering pumps, alternators, starters, things of that nature. Anyways, I got this bracket also that I ordered from, I think I bought this one at Speedway Motors, I believe. But this bracket here will attach to the block, and then the power steering pump will go over here. Yeah, somewhere like that on that bracket. And I need to pick me up some hoses. I've got those coming, and then I've got my pulley here somewhere. I don't know where I did with it or where I placed it. But anyway, the pulley goes here. So we're going to try to get that on there because I got all this stuff and I never got it installed. So we'll go over here. I got the alternator pretty much installed. I had to loosen it up to get the belt off so I could get this work on this pump. So two holes right here, that's where that bracket mounts, and then I've got this small bracket that attaches to this here that will attach to the pump, and that's where my adjustment for the belt will be. Just by looking at this, I haven't even put it on here yet or anything, but it's going to be pretty close to the power steering box, the joint here, universal joint, I guess that's what that's called, or something like that. It's going to be a tight fit just by looking at that. I've got a what is this pulley here? It's a 3 belt pulley. Pulley on here is a 2 belt. So how did I have my alternator? Goes on this outside one to here. Or no, this first one here. AC I think goes on this one, and then the power steering pump will go either on this first one or the second one, just it's by itself. So we'll have power steering. I don't have the steering wheel connected or anything. I mean, it's here with the shaft. Probably going to pick up one of those I Did It steering columns and stick it in there. I've just got that one stuck in there kind of through there so I could get see what clearances I was getting on that. Alright, I'll bring you guys back as I work on that. I also picked up these wire looms. These are R&M, and I'm not happy with this one here. I thought vertical. You got these that are vertical, and then you got them horizontal. The wires lay on top. I thought these vertical ones would work out for me, which it works out on this side. But the other side, it's got these long spacers that you put in here, and the other side won't work. If I put that vertical, that wire loom with those spacers, then back there at the booster, it hits. It won't. Those spacers in that wire loom will not fit. That top of that wire loom will hit that booster. So my only other option was to cut them spacers down some, about halfway, and which will lower that down over here. And I may do that. I haven't decided just yet if I'm going to order the horizontal and see how they work out. Or what. So anyway, that's another deal. Alright, bring you guys back as I try to get this done. Alright, I've got the power steering pump finally installed, and so that's a clearance I've got is right here between this steering box, and probably got about ½ inch clearance there between the pulley and this bolt that's there. And looks like I got plenty of clearance here and here from the coupler here. So it wasn't too much clearance to get that belt on. Had to turn that belt sideways here to get it on. Anyways, looks like it's going to work out pretty good. Got to check the level on it. You're able to remove the cap. Fine. This car never had power steering. It was just manual, and it never had air conditioning. So it's going to have air conditioning and power steering now. The hard part was getting this. Let's see if I can get this out of the way here. That one bolt. See where it's at. Yeah, right there. That one here, I couldn't get it tight. I finally had to use a pair of pliers or vice grips on here to get this to turn, because the Allen wrenches or hex keys that I have are these, and they're too long. They're metric. This is a number 8, and I couldn't get this one in here just right. I could make it fit either if I put it down here or get this piece down there and get it to fit, and maybe do not even a quarter of a turn at a time. I thought about cutting this one off shorter, but then you don't have that much leverage. So I went and bought one of these sockets. It's got the hex key and socket on here. Well, thinking that I could get this in there with a ratchet, but this won't even fit in there. It's too long. Hits the, where the ratchet goes, it hits this bolt on the head back here. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll bring you guys back whenever I get some more stuff done. See you later. Hey guys, Sam here again. I just wanted to show you the clearance that I have between the power steering pump and the alternator belt. So here's the alternator belt, and right along here, not very much clearance, right there on the edge. Of course this ain't tight right now, but well, losing focus. So pull it tighter. Not much clearance, but it's enough. Alright, and I got the belt, this belt's on there tight. So yeah, that's pretty close. I was worried about that. I had heard about some other people having problem with clearances between there, but it looks like I got enough to make it work. Hopefully, I don't know if it'll vibrate too much, if it's going to end up rubbing there or what, but hopefully if it's tight enough it won't vibrate too much. Alright, thanks for watching.